Hey guys, today I'm going to give 3 tips and tricks when using breadboards. I will also talk about 5 common mistakes you should avoid, so make sure you stick until the end.
Sometimes a medium breadboard is not enough to test our prototype circuits. If you have 2 of these, you can transform it into a big breadboard by bridging one to another with staples. In my opinion, the most adequate wires to build prototype circuits are pre-cut wires. These wires are useful all the way up from beginners to professionals because they guarantee stable connections and make the circuit cleaner. If you wish to take up electronics and start building your own circuits, I recommend purchasing a breadboard kit which comes with a lot of materials. Pre-cut wires are an essential material. If you want, you can also use hookup wires or jumper wires. My favorite power supply is a 9-volt battery connected to the circuit through a snap cap. If you are interested, you can find a link to these materials in the description. My favorite tools are the wire cutter, needle nose pliers and tweezers. Use the wire cutter to cut any electronic component legs. Doing so reduces the odds of disconnecting components unintentionally and grants a more stable connection. Then use the needle nose plier to give the desired shape, usually 90 degrees, to fit in the breadboard holes. Use tweezers to insert the legs into the breadboard holes with higher precision. Imagine you want to connect the negative power bus rail to hole G45. To estimate the length needed for this connection, measure the distance between the power bus and the hole with the wire and then add 3 extra holes. Cut it, strip the wire's edges and ply its tips 90 degrees to insert in the breadboard holes. Hey, if you're getting value from this, smash the like button and hit subscribe to the channel. When you install a component in the wrong row, it forms an open circuit where electricity doesn't flow. This is where the LED should be connected in order to close the circuit. Sometimes you don't push the wires deep enough in the breadboard, originating a weak connection or, in some cases, no connection at all. Make sure you correctly insert leads into the breadboard to avoid this error.
Before we move on, I need to tell you that I've been listening to audiobooks about electronics which helped me evolving throughout my journey. I will leave a link in the description for a 30-day free trial.
LEDs have polarity. The longer LED is positive and has to be connected to the plus power bus rail. The shorter leg is negative and needs to be connected to the black wire. On the other hand, the resistor does not have polarity, so you can connect it the way you wish. If you connect the positive and negative wire to the same strip, you are creating a short circuit. The battery gets very hot and you can notice a weird smell. If you are getting started with electronics, watch this breadboard tutorial. This just happened to me. I got distracted, the positive and negative wires of the snap cap touch each other and shorted the battery. The battery is very hot and you can even see that the wire's insulation melted.